In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste code into TradingView. This is a crucial skill for anyone interested in analyzing financial markets or developing custom indicators and strategies. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open a chart on TradingView.com. This is your starting point for any analysis you wish to undertake, whether you're a seasoned professional or a curious newbie. Once your chart is open, you'll want to direct your attention to the bottom of your screen. Here, you should see a tab labeled Pine Editor. Go ahead and click on that. The Pine Editor is where the magic happens. This part of the platform allows you to write and execute Pine Script, TradingView's native programming language. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of this window, where you'll see a button labeled Open. Clicking on it will present you with an option to either create a new indicator or a new strategy. Choose the one that best fits your needs. Keep in mind that while indicators usually help you with visual analysis, strategies can also execute trades based on predefined conditions. Now that you've decided whether it's an indicator or a strategy you're working on, you'll notice that there's some default text in the editor window. Select all of this text and delete it to clear the template. This gives you a clean slate to work with, making it easier to paste your own Pine script code without any interference or confusion from the template. Next, go ahead and paste your Pine script code into the editor. If, for some reason, the pasting doesn't go as expected or you run into any technical issues using the app, a helpful tip is to open the Pine editor in a new browser tab. Many users have found that doing so resolves most of the common problems associated with pasting code. Once your code is successfully pasted, click on the Save button. At this point, you'll be prompted to give your script a name. Choose something descriptive to help you quickly identify it later. A well-named script can save you time and hassle down the road, especially if you frequently deal with multiple scripts or strategies. Finally, you'll want to see your new script in action. Click on Add to Chart to apply it. This step lets you immediately visualize the results of your Pine script code on your chart, giving you valuable insights or confirming that it works exactly as you intended. And there you have it. You've successfully pasted code into TradingView. With practice, this process will become second nature, opening up a whole new realm of possibilities for your trading and analysis. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.